Sarura kids.
Fun game. Yes. You
You are doing an experiment. Now, would two people like to tell me what you have on the table today?
Please.
What is that?
Colouring food and some measuring cups.
Do you know what that is?
No.
Now, this is baking powder. So today we're going to make some lava lamps, and you are going to choose what colour you'd like your lava lamp to be.
I all of them.
Okay, you want all of them, and you
I want to put all of them in one big one. That is for me.
Okay, right. The first thing we need to do is we need to gather our ingredients. Now we've got our food colouring. Do we have our food colouring?
Yeah.
Do we have our baking powder?
Yeah.
Do we have our, you are now holding the, what are you holding in your hand? Do you know what that is?
I don't know.
That is vegetable oil or cooking oil.
Cooking oil.
Yeah. And, oh, Mummy forgot a spoon.
I'm going to open this.
And we need a spoon. I'm just going to, oh gosh, that is actually quite hard to open. I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to open the baking powder. So give me just 1 second. So I'm going to pour in about 1/3 of warm, not boiling, not hot, warm water.
Mummy, I will put the fairy book on the floor.
It's okay, sweetie. Just leave it there. I can read it.
That is yucky. That is hot. Yeah. There's some paper. I found
So
some
we've got that
paper.
there. Yeah, there's some paper in there.
Why?
Because Mummy likes to bookmark things.
Mummy.
And I only have one special bookmark. So now you're going to put in a few drops of your favourite food colouring. So you want a bit of red, do you? Right, you can do it. Just a few drops. There we go. And a few drops for you.
And I
And
want
then,
that one.
so that's a bit of red for you, and then a bit of blue. Just a few tiny drops, not a lot.
Oh, this.
That's it, that's it. Well done. No, no, no. You wanted all the
I want
colours.
to do the green one.
You want the green one as well, okay. It'll just end up looking a bit black.
No, I like yellow. I want this. I like black coloured too.
Okay, so everyone's just basically going to have black lava lamps, okay. I hear you.
Cool.
Alright, a little bit there. You want the green one as well.
Mummy, can I put a
Yeah, a
few?
tiny bit because it's nearly finished. That's it, thank you. And some for your sister.
Yeah.
And then the next thing is we're going to put some
Do we
olive
need to
oil.
mix it up? Is that olive oil?
Yeah, that's a bit of olive oil until it's about 3/4 full. That's just a, oh, don't mix it. We don't mix this part at all. The spoon is for the baking powder. And then we do that as well.
No, but I want to mix.
No, you'll see why not in a minute. Right, so now let's give it a little minute. So, come and look on the side, girls. What do you see going on over there?
This is going up and down.
Yeah. So what's happening there is the liquids are settling.
I don't see colored food, I think. I don't see colored food.
Yes, the food colouring is now at the bottom and the oil is at the top. Isn't that interesting?
No, I want to do that.
Not yet. So we're waiting for it to settle. Let's see if all the oil sits on top of the food colouring just yet. That's very important before we go on to the next part of the experiment.
Also, hairband.
Hairband? It looks like it's got a hairband, does it?
Did it gets
It's very bubbly, isn't it?
the hairbands. Hairband is gone. The hairband is gone.
So now, I don't know, you tell me. Do you see a little tornado?
Yeah.
It does look a bit like a little hairband, doesn't it? From the hair?
Can I do this?
That's lovely. That's a lovely design you made there. The bubbling of it is quite pretty. Right, okay, right. So you need to take a little spoonful and so drop a little spoonful of baking powder into your jugs and then take a look and see where that baking powder goes, okay?
Okay.
Right, so take 1 spoonful each. Not too big, not too big. A little spoonful, thank you. And then plop it in. And what happens to it? Bloop! Did that just fall right through the 2 layers and into the base?
This is growing.
Do you see it bubbling?
Yeah.
Up and down and up and down.
We need to go up. Sky. Need to be a 2 space up.
Look at that.
This is growing, Mummy.
Yeah, you made your own glowing lava lamp.
This is trying to get out.
Okay, have a look at this. Have a look, have a look, have a look. And then we're going to look at yours as well. Come on the side, sit down and have a look at it while you're sitting down. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
This is coming out.
Just bop it just lightly, like boop. That's it, just boop. So like boop. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at that.
Growing.
Yay! Some little scientist says, bring my spoon. Okay, well, bring your spoon. Part of science is observing the changes as well. You can take a bit more than that. Okay, we'll go with that then. Right, and then leave it. And then sit down and have a look at it.
Oh no.
Don't boop it, don't boop it. Leave it alone. And just sit down and look at it. Sit down and look at it. Can you see it bubbling up?
Yes.
Yay! Look at it going. Look at it going.
It's going.
Yes, it's boom. Bloop, 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 bloop,
Can I
bloop,
dip
bloop.
it? Can I?
No, don't boop it. It hasn't come to the top yet. Look at it going. Look at it going.
It's like a volcano.
Wow.
It's making bubbles like a volcano.
Yes, it is.
Bubbles. Little bubbles.
Isn't that amazing?
Oh, yeah. See that? Wow, it's cute.
The top is filling up with all of that baking powder, but the side is going bloop, 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 bloop.
And I now dip it.
Okay, go ahead and dip it. I see you want to dip it.
I did.
You did, yeah.
Let's see.
You dipped it.
Let's see.
It keeps on going, doesn't it?
Can I now make Boo not coming? I want to
No,
see
Boo's not
little
coming.
one. It's not.
Really? Look, there's one.
My one's a little one.
Yeah, they change, but they're still going, aren't they? It goes for quite a long time.
Can I do another one?
Yeah, you want another lava lamp?
I want to make one for you and Daddy.
Oh, thank you, sweetie. Yeah, you can make one for Daddy and I.
Yeah.
But before, look at that go. Can you see that? I don't know how you girls aren't seeing that. That's amazing, isn't it? Bloop! That is amazing.
It keeps on going every single time.
It's amazing. I just think this is fantastic.
I mean,
And one day when you go to school, you're going to learn about density of liquids, so you'll understand why this experiment.
I'll be bigger in school.
You will be bigger when you go to school, yeah.
Yeah. I'm still small. I'll be bigger and bigger.
You're small because you're not in big school yet, but you'll be in big school very, very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. And before you know it,
I was a baby. I was 1 year old, 2 years old, 3 years old, and after when I'm 3 years old,
at your
is
next
now
birthday, how old are you going to be?
4. That was my birthday. It will be my birthday in a minute.
It will be your birthday more than a minute.
I'll be 4.
I think your lava lamp will have stopped being a lava lamp by the time you turn 3, young lady, because you are not even 3 yet.
What's this, Mummy? I have to go.
I don't know, but you managed to find all these small things under the table somehow. But anyway, so that's our lava lamp experiment. You guys want to do it again sometime?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. We'll do it again sometime then. Right, say bye to everyone. See you later.
Bye.
On the video. On the video. Mummy's taking a video with her phone as well.
Bye.
Say bye to everyone on the video.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Boy, see you later.
Bye. I'm going. Bye.
Alligator.